Hi everyone. Now it's time for the bacon wrapped asparagus. Alright, here we go. So I got a few already done here, as you can see. Got a little more bacon here and some nice, beautiful looking asparagus. I've rinsed them, I've cleaned them. I'm going to show you how to prepare these and then we'll do this. It shouldn't take too long. Okay, what I usually do is take about 2 or 3 at a time, get them here together, as you can see. Get a knife or a sharp pair of scissors, and I want to cut about an inch, inch and a half of that off. Okay, because that part is usually not very tender, not flavorful, and it won't cook very well. So we cut that off, as you can see. Okay, and you have about that length there, and sometimes you feel like you're losing out on something, but you're gaining a lot more when you cut those things off. Okay, so do know that. So I got some here already halfway done, and what you want to do is season them a little bit, salt and pepper maybe. I actually use Maddie's all-purpose seasoning. Sprinkle a little bit on there, turn it around. You can use the all-purpose seasoning that you may like and enjoy, or like I said, you can just use some salt and pepper, just a bit, just so we can have a little flavor there. Okay, just as so. Now, as we continue to go to wrap these, I'm using some black pepper bacon, some nice length on them, not too short, not very thin, but not super thick either. Okay, you get those 3 together. They're easy to wrap. Okay, just go ahead, start here from the bottom, and just go ahead, and as you can see, you want to cover a little bit, okay, on the edge there, not totally exposing it, and all the way like that. Okay, bam, and there you go. And basically you're going to use this bacon to steam cook these. Okay, not necessarily to eat the bacon, because the asparagus will cook much faster than the bacon will. You just want that bacon flavor, okay, of it. And if you go ahead and continue to cook them long enough, you can keep them on there with the bacon, and I'm sure that's quite enjoyable. I'm going to fry these up in the pan. You can do these in the oven as well. I'm not going to do that today, but this is how we're going to do them. Okay, kind of triple them up like that so you can see them. Okay, and let's go with it. Almost seem like I'm struggling here today. Bam. There we go. Boom. Here we go. Get that on around there. And that's how we do those. Simple deal. I think you and your family will enjoy them. They're quick, they're easy, and they are delicious. All right. Well, hey, let's put them in the pan. All right. Got the pan here nice and hot. Okay, let's put them down. Okay. And you want to try to make sure you get that folded part at end down there first. Okay. One. Got 2 of them there. Three. I don't want to overcrowd them, but I want to get a 4th one in there. Okay. Okay, right now I have the heat at about medium to medium high. Medium high, I think I'm going to go up a little higher to get that bacon nice and crisp. Let those juices render out and start to season and steam the asparagus at the same time. Okay, you're going to love these. Okay. Also, just so you'll know, you can start to find these in grocery stores pre-wrapped in bacon also. So if you don't want to do it yourself, don't feel comfortable with it, there's many stores that are now doing them themselves. Okay. All right. I can hear it. Starting to slowly smell that bacon. I can see it, and it's coming. All right. See how we're doing here. Yeah, nice crisp. I'm going to go ahead and turn. Get one turn there. See it one turn there. You can just smell oil from that bacon. Oh my goodness. One stick to it. There we go. Let's turn there. And this one, I see the fold. I'm going to turn it this way. You start to see color there on it. Yes. They are coming out just perfectly. Cannot wait. Alright, looks like it's about time to turn again. Let's see what we have here. Oh boy. Okay. Now the asparagus is actually done at this point. You can continue to let it go as I am going to this time. We'll go ahead and cook that bacon all the way through, and hopefully we don't overcook our asparagus. I don't think we will. But these are turning out to be beautiful. Okay. Got one more turn on those things. We'll have all sides of that bacon, and we can just serve it just like that. You can unwrap it if you don't want the bacon, or you'll be able to eat right through it with this bacon. Love it. Okay, looks like we need one more turn. One final turn. And I suggest you find that spot that needs the most to finish off the cooking. I'm finding a spot there. And get that one. There we go. You see how I'm resting the other one so I can get it right on the spot that I need, so I just use the other ones to find the spot. I think I'm going to put this one over here a little bit, get a little warmer, hotter spot. These are about ready to go. I tell you folks, this is going to be delicious. Looks like we're on our last turn here. Alright, we've got a nice crisp on those. Yes, yes, indeed, indeed. Look at those. Just look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I'll go ahead and lay these on here. These ready. Part 2. Yes. Beautiful. And beautiful. You just can't beat that, folks.